How to recover deleted draft reels and stories on Instagram. So if you want to recover deleted draft reels and stories on Instagram, then first open up your Instagram application, go for the profile which is on the bottom right, and go for the upper right which has that three bat icon, and here you will have an option of recently deleted. Go for your activity, and here you will have recently deleted. Tap on recently deleted, and if you have deleted any reels or if you have deleted any stories on Instagram, then you will have all of that here. So you can simply tap on that deleted story or reel, and then you can go for recover option, and from here you can recover your reel or story that you have recently deleted. So that's how you can recover deleted draft reels and stories on Instagram. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.